Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, metallic paint, rear wheel drive, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.